Afternoon folks, quick summer update here on the Brew Lab. What have we got? Right, for lack of anything better, just something I could throw in a glass quickly. I've got some fizz here. Not necessarily celebrating anything, but cheers anyway. Oh, that's good. There's a reason for that. I'll tell you in a video coming soon. Right, so we've got lots of brews coming up. We've got blueberry and blackcurrant wine, session mead. There's some more hard sodas. There's a celebratory 100,000 subs video where we make some fizz. What else have we got? We've got some more We've got some more Pinted 3 videos coming, and we've also got another sponsor that's brew related. I hope you enjoyed the 55 Maps videos, the Christopher Columbus videos that I've recently put out. Just 3 of those. There might be some more, but for now just those 3. The new sponsor I've got is more brew related. More on that when I receive what I'm going to receive from the company, and I'll show you. But yeah, I'm not giving you any spoilers, basically. Vineyard channel launch. Okay, I launched a Vineyard channel last year and did a little bit, and I thought it was pretty boring, and that's when I launched Rainford's Brew Lab. And so I'd say it's a hot day, stay hydrated out there. And yeah, the Vineyard channel kind of took backstage because, or a backseat should I say, because I thought that a lot of the footage that I was getting was boring. It's essentially, you know, gardening footage with no brewing. So it became transparent to me. I thought if I want to get some drinks going, I'm going to have to wait a year or 2 for those vines to mature so we can get some grapes from them to make some wines and fizz, etc. Which is why I've done what I've done. But now that the vines are in the 2nd year and there's a lot going on out there, I thought I'd relaunch the Vineyard channel, and I'll post a couple of videos and collab with Rainford's Brew Lab, so you'll see them pop up on your feeds, no doubt. If you're not interested in vineyards or viticulture or wine, you know, grapes, gardening even in any way, just ignore them. But yeah, I'm giving you a heads up because I don't want to alienate my subscribers for this channel by pushing you stuff that you don't want to watch, basically. So yeah, if you're not interested, please don't watch them. If they are, head on over to that channel. There'll probably be a video, just like an introductory video going out later today or tomorrow. Thank you. If you like that sort of stuff, watch it. If you don't, please ignore it. There'll be a few videos on the Vineyard channel going up towards harvest time, September, October. I may well post some of those on the Brew Lab channel because they will be integral to a couple of videos which I'll be uploading where I make some wine, obviously. And those videos belong on this channel as, you know, as much as they do on the Vineyard channel. So yeah, lots of content coming up. Most of the stuff that'll be coming out will be, you know, summer drinks. So it's hot out there, so we need stuff to cool us down, don't we? Like this, for instance, that's chilled fizz. It's very refreshing. So as always, guys, thanks for watching all my stuff and subscribing and liking and all the things that you do and being part of the community. I haven't posted an update for a while because I've been that busy, you know, uploading videos. I haven't needed to fill any gaps with an update here and there. But yeah, you need to know what's going on, and especially about the Vineyard stuff, because I don't want to alienate the core people that tune in to see the brews. If you see the Vineyard stuff and you don't like it, please just ignore it, and normal service will always resume on the Brew Lab. Right guys, enjoy your hot weather we're having here in the UK or anywhere else in the world. Cheers.